Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can hide cards or slides in your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI. If you don't know how to find these, log into your account, click into Gammas here to the left and select your presentation. Next, take a look at that panel to the left. You will see the list of all cards or slides within your presentation. So if you'd like to hide it from your presentation, the preview mode or presentation mode, or from that list here, guys, but not delete it, there is a feature to hide it. So what you want to do is, let me go with slide number 3, is right click into it and select hide card. And as you can see, the slide is still there, but it won't appear in your presentation later. You will see that by that eye icon here. So if you'd like to show it again, right click into it and select unhide. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.